Welcome to Marvelous Myrtle. I'm Asher Cohen.
And I'm Christopher Talley with the BuyAZRE real estate team at True Realty.
And we're really excited to show you this amazing listing today, located in North Central Phoenix, featuring 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, large lot with mountain views. Come on in and take a look. Welcome to Marvelous Myrtle in beautiful North Central Phoenix. Step inside to enjoy an open floor plan with vaulted ceilings. The brand new kitchen stunningly features quartz counters with island, gas range, pantry, and much more. Additionally, the luxurious master retreat with ensuite features dual sinks, glass enclosed shower, separate tub, and 2 walk-in closets. Step outside to enjoy an expansive lot with mountain views. Oh, one last thing, location. You are close to some of the best restaurants, hiking trails, Murphy Bridal Path, and the very desirable Madison Schools. Overall, this house is move-in ready, so remove all hurdles in your way and make Marvelous Myrtle your dream home today.
For more information on this home or any home in the Valley, please call the BuyAZRE real estate team
At 480-256-2995. We look forward to helping you.